posted on the block till a nigga get his cash right. Pistol on my side, nigga live that fast life. Stand tall in the paint like Shaq dude. Blowing on that good dro blunt residue. Jabos hanging out my ass like I'm losing weight. I'm that nigga 21 that they love to hate. Fucking with them white boys, get your money right. Snort one line, one time, fuck up your whole life. If you's a hustler, nigga, show me 10 bands. That's 10,000 so you slow niggas can understand. That's a half a brick, nigga, get a whole one. My mama always told me, nigga, trust no one. There's something about it when the young nigga catch a sale. And the junkies keep calling, call it clientele. A dub here, a dub there, then you make it stress. A bad bitch, good pussy, that's the best sex. 2 in the morning, bitches steady trying to whip it up. You call me on the phone, bitches trying to get it up. Bitch wanna fuck, tell that hoe to catch a nut. Bitches stand on the block, bitch a young buck. Just a young buck trying to get this money. Them fuck niggas talking, but I know you niggas stunting. Why that nigga laughing at me, he a dummy. I swear to God, I come back next day with big money, bitch, I'm stacking. I'm all about my dough, I'm about that action. RT relentless, yeah, that fucking main attraction. Blowing on this killer, what them fuck niggas asking. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I pull off in that Aston Martin, loose balls on the track, I shit it, I shorted. Them fuck niggas don't want me, I swear to God, I did it a party. Shit, bitch, I'm young and I'm heartless. Gives a fuck about a motherfucker, relentless. Bitch, I grind till I get it. Early in the morning, bitch, I'm trying to whip a chicken. Catch me on the block, bitch, I'm trying to whip a chicken. You can snort it in your nose, bitch. Finger licking it. Young bitch.